I think it's so crazy when someone says that they don't shop at Ross and TJ Maxx. Like, what?
Woman, let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalie, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is I was getting ready to say Shein. TJ Maxx and Ross haul. Today I went shopping, spent a few hundreds of dollars. I felt like I needed to re-up, and I don't have a lot of corporate clothes, office clothes, so I went shopping for those necessities. So I wanted to show you guys what I bought and tell you guys the price point, because that's one of the best things about Ross and TJ Maxx. Like, you can't beat their price. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the TJ Maxx haul first, and then we'll get into the Ross. So TJ Maxx, I always love getting their beauty stuff. Like, here and there you'll find me at like Walmart or Walgreens, but if I'm at TJ Maxx, like, I'm going into the beauty care section. Like, so I found this makeup removal wipe, and I had to get it. The price was $4, $3.99, so you can't beat that. And there's 60 wipes, and it's the Precision Beauty Skincare Solutions Makeup Removing Cleansing Wipe. It's the micellar water. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And I wanted to get it because they always say micellar water is good for makeup removal, so if they have it in wipes, I figured, why not? And I needed body wash or shower gel, however you want to call it, and I got this Fresh Calm in mint. And I wanted to give it a try. They say it's organic. Not sure what organic means to some people, but I wanted to give it a go. So, and this was $10.99. I don't know about y'all, but I love me a good perfume wherever it's from. It could be high brand, low brand, whatever the case is. If it smells good, it smells good. This perfume is called Element Edition 1 Pearl, and it was, ooh, the price point got erased. I think it was $14.99, and it smells so freaking good. Like, yeah, it smells nice, very airy, fresh. Like, I got this for the office because I don't like wearing nothing that's just too strong. So this is real light. It smells very nice. It lingers too, because even when I got out of the car when I leaving TJ Maxx, I still smelled it on me. So this is definitely a great purchase. And I also got this Eau de Lune, Eau de Parfum. It's $12.99, and this one smelled damn good too. Now this one's a little stronger, but bomb. I also bought some shampoo. Now these are black castor oil shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to give these a try because it has black Jamaican castor oil and argan oil in it. Now I'm not really into the science behind the ingredients that doesn't go in your hair, but I wanted to give it a try to see how it works for me, because what may not work for someone else may work for someone else, no matter the ingredients. I feel that if I'm gonna go the rest of my life looking at ingredients, trying to see what works and what doesn't work, that's no fun for me, you know what I'm saying? So if something works, I'm gonna use it, and that's just what I'm gonna use. All right, so TJ Maxx, I only got 2 clothing items, which are shirts, so I'll show you guys how it. Okay, so one of the things I got was this top, and I had to get it. First I found it in extra small. I'm not an extra small, I am a medium, so I was really hurt when I couldn't find my size. But when you shop, you shop. I was able to continue shopping, going through like racks, not looking for this, but just looking for just like a nice white button down, and I found a medium, and I immediately got it. And this feels amazing. It's long, and like when you work in an office, corporate office setting, you want a nice comfortable white button down top, and I'm so glad I found it. I love how it's open here. It's real comfortable. It's stretchy. Like, y'all, this top is so stretchy, and this is from Bagatelle collection. I'll have it up on the screen or in the description. Yeah, it's like clothing. So yeah, it's nylon, knit, stretch, and tech, and I believe I got this for $24.99. Yeah, I think it was, yeah, $24.99. You can't beat that, because we all know some of those nice, great quality button-down shirts be expensive. So I had to jump on this when I got it. I love it. It's so airy and stuff, and the material's thick. So if you can't see my bra from here, like, I don't have to wear like an undershirt under the undershirt with this because it's thick. It's like a thick material too. All right, so the next top I got was this nice sleeveless top. Nice and silky, it feels great. It's night tight on, and who doesn't like a nice gold, not tank top, but like blouse, you know what I'm saying? This is from Nicole Miller, New York. This is also from TJ Maxx, but they had this, and this is also $14.99. Embroiders with a nice blazer, some pumps. Can't beat it, and it's been so hot, so perfect. So that is it for everything that I got from TJ Maxx, you guys. I did have a budget going in TJ Maxx, but when I seen like some of the perfumes, I had to get it because I really just wanted to go in and buy just 2 tops, and I did with additional things. So all in all, I spent a little of $101.56. I don't regret anything I bought, so it was well worth everything. Up next is the Ross, what I bought from Ross. So the first thing I want to show you guys is I bought this bag, and it is a Steve Madden bag, and we all know Mr. Madden up there, he just been giving it to us. And I don't know if this is like a old season or old collection, I don't know, but I'm gonna rock it like it's a new collection, okay? And it's so cute, and I wanted this in black. I couldn't find it in black, but this is so nice. It comes with this nice little scarf, which I won't take off because I think it gives it that nice character. It comes with this little clutch bag, and inside it comes with this. This is so cute. Let's see what's inside. I think this is perfect to like put your toiletry in it. You know, like add a little perfume in here, like a little travel size, anything, your pads, anything in here. This is like perfect size. And then of course this is like put your credit cards, your cash. And then it also has another pocket in here. Put your not your purse, your cell phone. I don't know if it fits the iPhone 13 Max. Let's see. So this is my iPhone 13 Max. Does it fit? It fits. That's perfect. And again, you can either put your your cards or cash in here too. But I think having it in here is even more perfect, because if you're like going to lunch and your bag is locked up away, you can just grab your clutch. Or, you know what I mean. And inside, it is so deep. I needed like a purse where if I have to take my laptop to work or anywhere, it's big enough to add my laptop and my folders or whatnot, and it's still fashionable at the end of the day. This is where it reaches me. Wish I could wear it like this if needed, but yeah, I'll take these off because it's zip locked on, and then if ever needed, I'll rock it by itself, because this also, oh, I thought this was a handle. They don't have handles. Actually they do. The clutch does have a handle. You can rock it with it. You could probably take it off. Nope, you can't. So this is the only one that has like a handle you can rock by itself. So if you wanted to go to lunch and just bring your clutch with your cash and card, this is what you'll bring, and I feel like this would be great for toiletry. I've bought some like shoes like these because like Monday through Wednesday or Thursday I'm normally in heels, but you always want to have some sort of black flat. These were super cute and they fit great. I'm a size 8 and these were $15.99. Oops. And they're really comfortable. I meant to tell you guys again Steve Madden and how much I bought this purse for. So I bought this purse for, alright, so I can't find the price tag to this, but I know it was like $34. Yep, I got it for $35. That's how much I got this purse for. That's a great price, right? Yeah. I needed a new scrubbing thing. I know most people recommend using like other things, but I've tried 2 things that were recommended on TikTok and I didn't like it. So if you guys have any other recommendations on what you guys use when showering, please let me know down in the comments. Other than that, this is what I bought from Ross. I got this for $3.99. Alright, so that was it with my accessories and beauty stuff that I got from Ross. Let's get into the clothes. So first thing is this cute top for work. Again, all of these are for my job. And y'all want to know how much I bought this for? Look how cute. It's like a turtleneck sleeveless shirt. This is a New York Andrew Mark shirt, size medium. And I got this for $4.99. $4.99, y'all. Let me show you how it looks on top. I can't talk today. Let me show you guys how it looks on. It's usually so hard to put on turtlenecks when you have on makeup because you don't want it to get dirty. But this is how it looks. It has this little thing here that says Mark New York. But it's like perfect. It's not tight. It's perfect. Like if I have a blazer on and I want to take it off, it's not, nothing is showing too much. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's like a nice size to like my waist. Definitely love it. The material is like ribbed. Yeah, and it feels good. Again, the only thing is that it doesn't stretch too much. So you gotta use that method where you put your bonnet over your face, put it on so that way makeup doesn't dirty your shirt. But I absolutely love it. It's great for office, even date night. You can wear this to church. Just make sure you cover up your sleeve. You don't want to be sleeveless in the house of the Lord, depending on your religion. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this was great. $4.99. You can't beat that. All right, so my next one is these pants. These are nice. They're pants, but they also feel like leggings, if that makes sense. They have pockets. They feel great, honestly. They go down to my ankles. They're pretty long. Again, I'm 5'7", so they go right all the way down to my ankles. They're from Bnellie, and I got this for $10. You probably can't see, but I got it for $10. Yeah. They're great. Alright, so I bought it in another color too. Same exact pants. I forgot to mention that how stretchy they are. This is a size small medium. These are awesome. Like, they feel so good, and they have pockets. They're extremely stretchy, simple, sleek, from day to night with ease. So if you were out in the office and they were doing happy hour right after, this is perfect pants that you could wear for that day, for that night. You can never have too many black pants, and I bought me some black pants. Why? Because they were also $9.99. I forgot to also mention, I can't talk today. I forgot to also mention the other pants that I got that was in the other color. They were $9.99 too. So these are also $9.99. So altogether I got 3 pants for $30. Yeah, these pants, they're extremely tight on me. However, they're flare on the bottom. You can see. So they're extremely tight, but I like it because they're comfortable. These semi-low rise, fitted through the hip and thigh, and semi-flare. So they're supposed to be like this. They're from LA Fit. So LA Fit, if you got more pants like this, if you want to work, my email's in the description. So nice. They're not too low rise, and I could probably get away with it with something like this with a blazer. Great purchase. All right, last but not least, I got these white pants. They fit so good. I would turn around, but I think you could probably see my panty line. Hopefully you didn't. But these are so nice. I had to get these. I got this one from the ladies section. So everything else that I bought was from the junior section. This is from the ladies section, and it is so comfortable. So now I know where to shop for my nice, sleek, not too tight pants. This is also, oh, this is actually from 89th Madison, and I bought this for $13.99. And it goes down to my ankles. Again, it is extremely comfortable. Definitely a great purchase. Okay, at Ross, I spent a total of $111. Not too bad. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed my try on haul, my haul in general with TJ Maxx and Ross. I'll be doing more of these every other week maybe, or every other month. Not every other month, but like once or twice a month. It all depends on how I'm feeling. So
woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be